Okay, so this is an unboxing video of what might be the world's most adorable hammer. I got this from Woodcraft. It was 15 bucks, but I think I had some kind of sale deal. It's from the Fast Cap company that does a lot of innovative woodworking projects. I am going to dub this my shim hammer, and I'll show you in a little bit. I want to unbox it, so let's do that now. There, it is free and unboxed. I think it is just a piece of rebar that someone burned a hole in and then epoxied an American oak, red oak handle. So anyways, I love it. It's very simple, and as I said, super adorable. Okay, so I have the most adorable hammer in the world. Got my glue bot. I've got a shim here. Got plenty of glue now. So I am just going to, like, I'll go for this one. Put that in there. Straighten out my wedge. Whack it in there. Let's see if I still got room for this other one. Let's see if this is going to fit. That will work. Put some glue on this guy. More glue on that guy. Plug it in. When I made the shims, I just took a 1.5 inch standard piece of construction lumber, and then I made the shims. I just kind of fed it into the table or the bandsaw, different angles, and then I just cut those in half. All right, sorry about the wiggles. Maybe we'll reshoot that. Okay, and so I'm going to apply some glue to this guy too. Most of the length, because you'd be surprised how far these drive in sometimes. But what you're looking for is kind of the gaps to close up if there's a space around your tenon going up through the bench. So that's that. I just got to do 3 more on this guy. So I'll just pick out some wedges I think that'll work. Don't put too much Titebond out in the sun because it's chunky in a hurry, although I kind of feel like that will turn into more of a gap filling adhesive to fill the spaces. Let's say that's a winner. Worthy of a chicken dinner. I'm going to scrape out what's left in the blue rockler tray here. I'm going to smear it on my wedge. And then with the world's most adorable hammer, I'm going to drive it so it closes up a gap over here. I'm going to say it's close enough. So that would be so just a quick handheld addition. So I've got my little finishing hammer, the most adorable hammer in the world. And one thing I'm going to say, it's got an unusual design. It's got a lot of head on one side and not so much on the other. And it's been handy to kind of get around stuff like this. And over on this end, I was able to kind of go in between a couple of these wedges where few other hammers would work. You could get a punch or something, but It's just made it really easy to whack all this stuff into position. So I'm really digging it. So yeah, and it's not that expensive. So if you want one, talk to Woodcraft.